Are your outdoor spaces left in the dark? It's frustrating when you can't find solar lights that actually last through the night, right? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best solar lights that offer reliable illumination and save you money on your electric bill. Click the link below for pricing and availability. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, we have the AloftSun motion sensor solar spotlights. These lights pack a punch with 30 LED chips that deliver bright, uniform illumination across your landscape. What's really cool is the built-in PIR sensor, which offers a 160-degree detection angle and a 33-foot sensing range. It's designed to pick up people and vehicles without being triggered by wind or rain. Nice, right? One of the best features of these lights is the 3 lighting modes. You've got options. Choose between medium light that stays on, full brightness when motion is detected, or a combination of both, depending on what you need at the moment. Plus, the monocrystalline silicon solar panel is super efficient, with about 27% conversion efficiency. This helps the lights stay bright longer than many competitors out there. You'll love how reliable they are. And don't worry about the weather. These lights are built to last with high-impact ABS plastic and IP68 waterproofing, so they're resistant to rain, snow, and frost. They're tough. Now, let's be real. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the stakes are great for ground installation, if you want to mount them on the wall, you'll need to buy separate screws. Some users have mentioned inconsistent motion detection range, and after several months of use, the battery life may start to decrease. And if you need lighting for a big area, you might need to get multiple units, since each light covers a relatively small space. At number 4, we have the Brightech Ambience Pro solar string lights. These 27-foot string lights come with 12 LED bulbs in a vintage Edison style that really create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Seriously, they set the perfect mood for any outdoor space. The bulbs are spaced 20 inches apart, and there's a 6-foot lead from the solar panel to the first bulb, so you've got some flexibility when setting them up. Now, let's talk about how tough these lights are. The weatherproof design is impressive. These lights have handled winds up to 50 mph, along with rain and snow. And the shatterproof plastic bulb shells can resist heat up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a lot of durability for year-round use. What I love most is the convenience factor. The solar panel can be placed just about anywhere with the included stake and clip, so no need for electrical outlets. You can hang them on your pergola, gazebo, patio, or garden area, and they'll still shine brightly. It's perfect for any outdoor setup where power outlets aren't an option. The soft white 3000K light gives off just enough brightness for things like grilling, yet keeps the space cozy and warm. After about 6 hours of direct sunlight, you can expect them to stay lit for 5 to 6 hours, which is great for evening get-togethers. But a couple of things to consider. The lighted portion is actually only 20 feet, even though the total length is 27 feet. Some customers have found that the brightness doesn't quite reach larger spaces, so keep that in mind. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Aootek new solar motion sensor lights. These lights are super versatile, offering 3 different operating modes to fit your needs perfectly. You can have them stay on all night at 20% brightness, use smart brightness control, which dims until motion is detected, then brightens for 15 seconds, or switch to the motion sensor only mode, where they light up only when movement is detected. That's some serious flexibility. The PIR motion sensor is pretty impressive, detecting people up to 26 feet away within a 120-degree angle. This makes them a fantastic option for monitoring approaches to your home while also conserving battery power when no one's around. What's cool is the solar panel's efficiency, about a 20.5% conversion rate with its 1.2-watt monocrystalline silicon design. It's a great balance between charging speed and power storage, so they'll keep running through the night. These lights are also rated IP65 waterproof, so no matter the weather, rain or shine, you can count on them for outdoor use. Plus, the mounting is a breeze. You can easily install them on walls, fences, or any flat surface. But a couple of things to keep in mind. The plastic construction doesn't feel as premium as some metal options. And the 15-second illumination time after motion detection is fixed. It can't be adjusted. In the winter, with less sunlight, charging may not be enough to keep them running all night. Also, some users have mentioned inconsistent motion detection sensitivity, and the included screws can strip easily if you're mounting them in harder materials. What do you think? Could these be the perfect addition to your outdoor space? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with solar motion sensor lights. At number 2, we have the GIGALUMI solar pathway lights. These elegant lights deliver a beautiful 3500K warm white glow through clear glass lampshades. But here's the best part. The stunning sunflower-style light pattern they project onto your surroundings adds a decorative touch to your pathways and garden. It's like bringing art to your outdoor space. Made from stainless steel and glass with a sleek silver finish, these lights feel so much more substantial than those flimsy plastic alternatives. And with an IP65 waterproof rating, they'll work reliably even in wet conditions or light snow, so no need to worry about them getting ruined when the weather turns. The high-capacity NiMH rechargeable battery stores enough power to keep them shining for up to 8 hours after a full day of sun. All they need is 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight to charge fully. Plus, installation is super simple. Just twist off the top, turn on the switch, replace the top, and stake them in the ground. It's that easy. But a few things to keep in mind. The glass is more fragile than plastic, so be careful during installation. If you're working with hard soil, you might need to pre-soften the ground or dig small holes. In partly shaded areas or on cloudy days, the charging efficiency can drop, meaning they might not stay lit all night. Over time, some units can develop corrosion at the connection points, so it's something to watch out for. And while the light output is beautiful, it might not be quite bright enough to fully illuminate dark pathways. And finally, our number 1 pick for the best solar lights, the Beau Jardin solar pathway lights. These premium 8-pack pathway lights stand 16.5 inches tall, with nearly 5-inch diameter bulbs, adding a substantial and sophisticated touch to your landscape. The combination of stainless steel construction and diamond glass shades gives these lights a truly high-end feel, definitely a step up from plastic alternatives. What really makes these stand out is the versatile 3-mode lighting system. Whether you want bright white illumination, fun multicolor changing effects, or a fixed color to match your landscaping theme, these lights have you covered. Plus, the high transmittance glass lampshade creates beautiful light patterns that will really enhance your outdoor spaces. Installation? Couldn't be easier. No wiring, no tools. Just push them into the ground where they'll get plenty of sunlight. The solar panel charges the included NiMH battery during the day, so you're ready to go when the sun goes down. With IP65 waterproofing and all-weather resistance, these lights will perform reliably all year round. And the 10-lumen output gives you just the right amount of illumination for your pathways, while still maintaining that elegant aesthetic. Things to consider. The glass components, though gorgeous, need a bit more care during installation. If you have compact soil, you may want to pre-dig small holes to avoid damaging the glass. Also, while the color changing feature is fun, it does use up battery power quicker than the fixed white setting. And some units might develop a little condensation inside the glass during extreme temperature shifts, but it doesn't really affect performance. That wraps up our look at the top 5 best solar lights for your outdoor spaces. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the description box for links to all the products featured. Drop a comment about which light you're most excited to try. Hit like and subscribe for more home improvement tips and reviews. Thanks for watching!